North announced this week that he is updating his glasses to add much-needed new features. The company added support for Spotify controls. Users can skip songs, see the title/artist of a track and adjust the volume of their connected listening device from the control ring that accompanies the glasses, called Loop. The company is also implementing address updates that will provide the steps to follow for transit, as well as delays. Until now, Focals could only provide walking instructions or the ability to call an Uber. It does not provide driving directions, probably because the Focals go off when they think a user is driving. In addition, the company introduced a feature called Rewind that takes advantage of the built-in microphone of the glasses. The glasses capture voice notes, send them to North's servers, which then process and transcribe them. Users will receive an email with their audio and text notes after they have been processed. All these characteristics sound ingenious and are important for the survival of the company.